Upbeat music playing Hey by Smart Family. Welcome back to the channel where we turn your purchasing dilemmas into delightful decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a showdown between the Comgrow official Creality Ender 3 and the ELEGOO Mars 4. Buckle up, because things are about to get three-dimensional. Cut to intro animation with the channel's logo. On my left, we have the Ender 3, priced at a cool $232. And on my right, the Mars 4, asking for $249. That's right, folks, the Mars 4 is just a tad more expensive. So if you're pinching pennies tighter than your grandma's hugs, the Ender 3 might already be winning your heart. The Ender 3 promises an easy and quick assembly, just 2 hours and 20 minutes. It's like IKEA for nerds. Reviewers have praised its straightforward assembly process, making it a great option for beginners. Meanwhile, the Mars 4 doesn't even mention assembly. Maybe it's a magical printer that assembles itself? Or more likely, it's going to have you cursing at the instruction manual for a few hours, as some users have noted challenges in the setup process. Now, let's talk about print quality. The Mars 4 boasts a 7-inch 9K mono LCD with an 8520 by 4320 resolution. That's more pixels than your TV, folks. You could print a model of your cat and see every single fur strand. Reviews highlight its exceptional detail and precision. The Ender 3, on the other hand, doesn't mention its resolution. Maybe it's shy? But don't worry, it still prints pretty well. Reviewers say it's great for creating detailed prints, though not as fur-tastic as the Mars 4. The Ender 3 has some neat tricks up its sleeve. Resume printing after a power outage? Yes, please, and it heats up faster than a microwave burrito. Reviewers appreciate these practical features. The Mars 4, though, is like the James Bond of 3D printers. COB light source, laser-carved build plate, and a user-friendly UI with a real-time progress bar. It's like they threw in everything but the kitchen sink, and users love its advanced functionalities. The Ender 3 moves noiselessly, smoothly, and is durable. It's like a ninja in the night. As reviewers have noted, its relatively quiet operation. The Mars 4, well, it doesn't say much about noise. Maybe it's a party animal. Some users have mentioned it can be a bit louder, so keep that in mind if you're sensitive to noise. The Ender 3 offers lifetime technical support. That's right, you could be 90 years old and still get help. Users have appreciated this long-term support. The Mars 4 promises a response within 24 business hours. So if you have a problem, just sit tight and maybe start knitting a sweater while you wait. Reviewers have found the support to be responsive, but not as comprehensive as lifetime support. Reviewers find the Ender 3 to be an excellent choice for beginners, offering ease of assembly, practical features, and quiet operation at an affordable price. On the other hand, the Mars 4 impresses users with its high-resolution prints and advanced features, though it comes at a higher cost and may be noisier. So there you have it, the Ender 3 versus the Mars 4. If you're on a budget and want an easy assembly with ninja-like silence, the Ender 3 is your go-to. But if you crave high resolution, fancy features, and don't mind paying a bit more, the Mars 4 is your new best friend. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Upbeat music playing, cut to outro animation with the channel's logo.